focus on welfare. What about Medicare, ethnic cleansing, freedom pending, government spending, poor they defending, bankrolls on foes, anything to enroll, spotlights, there goes prostrate, their soul, step back, retract, notice where your life's at.
Where was it worth it? Got to heed the warning, see the storms are forming, not the time for stalling, look around and so I'm falling for it, the mentality, don't disregard humanity, say no to this insanity, create a new reality. It's a mad, mad world that we're living in, gotta keep your heads up high, can't be giving in, don't you let one day go by without praising the Most High, cause it's the only way we ever will survive. Yeah, it's a mad